Hi guys, this is David from Arzaman Engineering, and in this short video I would like to show you another nice and smart application for the smarPID M5 Mini temperature and humidity controller. In this case we have applied the controller to a leavening cell for pizza and bread dough in order to control the internal temperature for your fermentation of your pizza and bread dough. Everything is very simple to build and very compact and easy to retrofit. We start from an ISO box, a thermal box, very compact, and we apply on the bottom an heating pad that generates enough heat to heat all the fermentation chamber. Everything is controlled by smarPID. You don't have any specific wiring or complex cabling, since on the back you have the wireless relay. Of course, you can monitor and control all the process through your smartphone via the remote web app, since the smarPID connects to your local Wi-Fi network, and from the web app you can monitor the temperature, modify your set point, start and stop the process as usual. I just show you the inside just to see the heating pad on the bottom, and of course the temperature sensor. The wiring is very simple, as you can see. Just put on the back the Shelly 2.5 wireless relay, and that's all. It doesn't take more than half an hour to build your leavening cell. Of course, you need also a small power supply, USB charger. In this case, for simplicity, I use a power bank. So hope you enjoy this application and the flexibility of the smarPID M5 controller. Thank you for watching and have a nice pizza. Ciao.